Hey guys, this is Patty and Jennifer with Gage's Creations again, and we wanted to demonstrate our body butter for you. In fact, it's our pineapple body butter, and we want to show you exactly what it does when you're using it in the bathtub or taking a shower.
You can frost yourself, you can shave with it, you can do anything. So right here, I'm going to open it up. Uh-oh, there's a little pineapple. That's just a little soap. And it doesn't take much at all. You can get it. You wet your loofah, big fat ball thing. And you're just going to go like that. And let's see if we can get some suds going here. Yes.
Oh, and it smells so good. It smells just like pineapple.
It does.
Pineapple body butter. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
goodness. That is a lot.
This body butter is fabulous.
And it's so good for your skin, guys.
It is.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And you could just keep, it just stays in here. And you saw how little I put in there. It still has some on the spoon. The spoon does come with it.
Yes, it's very important, guys, that you use the spoon because you don't want to get any water in the body butter. It does have preservatives, so it won't mold, but you still want to try and keep the water out of there as best as you can.
It's just, let's see if we can just see just that little bit right there. And
wow,
it just,
you don't even have to run out of the water.
You don't even have to run out of the water.
It's already wet.
And it's like just tons of bubbles.
This is also really good to use for shaving. It's another option. Or if you don't want to use it in the shower or bathtub, you can just use it outside the shower or bathtub as lotion.
We just keep one by our kitchen sink.
Yes.
And whenever we want to get a different scent or whatever, and it's wonderful. We also have unicorn.
Yes.
And we'll show you that later, but it is scented in passionate.
I believe it's passion fruit.
Passion Kisses?
Yes.
Passion
Kisses by Victoria's Secret.
Yes. That's right.
Yes.
That's right. So, go to our website and order you some now.
Yes, GagesCreationsSoap.com. See you soon.
Bye.